Hi everyone, it's Rosemary Maris from Maris Art. I'd like to show you this Alice Through the Looking Glass book, which I've used graphic 45 paper on, and also images from, this is from a book cover, because I love the film with Johnny Depp in it. So this is made from MDF. I actually got it as a kit from somewhere in England. I can't remember their name, but if I remember it, I'll put it in the comments. I'll look it up. So it's got 3D stickers on it, and that's what it looks like from the top. And then you open it up like this, and on this side it's got the little cards from the graphic 45 paper in the I suppose you'd call it a notebook thing. And then this side, I can get it in there, it's got the Queen. Look at her. I love her. I love these little fellas here. And then it's got some lovely cards from the, I think they're the ads for the film. So when I bought the kit, there's actually a film that comes with it and all the measurements and how you do it. That's a private film that comes when you got the kit. You get the link to it, and she shows you how to do all of these cards, and these are little tuck spots here. So we've got the Cheshire Cat going down the rabbit hole, and then inside them all there's a card with photos on from the film. That's it, going down the rabbit hole. And then that tucks in there, and what I do is I put a little paper clip on there just to stop it falling out. And then these ones are the ones of her family in the film, and this is Aunt Imogen, who's a spinster who she doesn't want to turn into, and that's the boy that she was supposed to get engaged to but decided not to. And I'm so glad for her that she did decide not to. Oh, I'll put those there. And that's her mother. Her mother had arranged for her to have a proposal, which she didn't know about, in front of everybody at the party. But she ended up saying no after she'd gone to Wonderland. This is a White Queen, and she's watching her making a potion for her that she says, here, drink this. And if you saw what went in it, you wouldn't want to drink it yourself. That's her at the end of the film when she decides to go off on her own. This is the Jabberwocky. No, not the Jabberwocky. I can't remember what they call it. Maybe the Jabberwocky. Here's the Royal Mad here. The Mad Hatter. No, that's the March Hare. Sorry, not the Mad Hatter, of course. He's the Mad Hatter. This is the March Hare. My friend and I went to see the film together and walked out going, oh, there was so much in that film. So much going on. Oh, that's his hat. Oops. Isn't it gorgeous? Here he is. A gorgeous Mad Hatter. And here's some of the little cards from the graphic 45 paper. All of this, of course, is graphic 45 paper. Oops, go in there. I want to go in. Oh, that's right. There's 2 pockets. So 2 go in this side, 2 go in that side. And there she is ready to fight the Jabberwocky or whatever it's called. I'll have that clipped because there's a journal in here as well. Well, not a journal. Aren't they gorgeous? I found a book online with all these images in that I cut up and used. And these were ones that were left over that that I still wanted to use. It's pretty dark, that one, but there she is with the big and the flowers with the faces on. And I love it because they could have made them really romantic faces and they didn't because it's Underland, not Wonderland. Come on. It's a beautiful costumes. Tweedledum and Tweedledee. Carrying a March hare. Oh, this was in the second film that we saw, Through the Looking Glass. And here she's saying, I'm going to miss you when I wake up. And there's the Queen with some more of those stickers. Some on a dress here. So you can see I love this film. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.